Do you feel like you have a lack of motivation sometimes? Because I got you covered, because I have 6 tips and tricks for you to help you to stay more motivated and consistent about it. So the first tip is to set goals. I know it's maybe like so not good, but like it's sometimes hard to do them, but you need to do them in order to help you to be motivated. So you need to be consistent to achieve them and to actually write them down, so that way you won't forget it and you can always go back to that one tip. That reminder, it can remind you always what you need to do, because you just have that and then you are more motivated through it. So the second tip would be that if something's done and you, for example, you have done your editing in YouTube or you have done your video, then reward yourself through it, because it's important to keep consistency and motivation, and it can be good thing so that you will do it again. Tip number 3 would be that prioritize your tasks, because if you don't, then you will do some really not so good. Maybe you want to be more organized through the stuff you do, and you want to do firstly the one best thing what suits you. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it's you need to do an essay to school, and it can be your one task, so you need to prioritize it and do it like a list of top 10 tasks you need to do, and just sort out the best task what you need to do in order to be more consistent, and that way you can actually do it and you feel motivated enough. Tip number 4 is that you need to set your deadlines, because if you don't set your deadlines, then you maybe won't complete it till time. So for example, let's take the school example again. So that if you don't set deadlines, which is really important, then you probably will not complete it on the time, and you feel like there is so much time passed and you haven't still completed it. But if you set a deadline, then you can be sure that this date and this reminder can push you to actually remind you that you need to do it, and then you can complete it in the right time. So basically, yeah, it's an important thing to do. Or tip number 5 is that you need to remember your goal. As I said earlier, then write them down, take, I don't know, maybe pencil or some stuff like your phone, and write them down, so that way you won't forget it, and you have your goals and your motivation always with you. So it's really important to do it, because if you don't write them down, then you probably won't do it, because it's one of the most important things to do. You just need to write them down to start of do anything. And that's also my way of doing YouTube, because I wrote all of the things down what I need to do in a week. So whenever I feel like I don't maybe want to do it, and I just need to do it, I need to push through it, because I just know that I want to do YouTube, and it's productive for me, and it's good because I can do something else than just do school and maybe not be so productive. And it's good to be productive. Like, actually, I wasn't productive a long time ago, and now I am, because I started YouTube again, and it's good. It's really good to be productive. So our last tip would be that spend time in YouTube and find maybe 5 to 10 creators from who you want to have inspiration, and what videos maybe are appealing to you, what you can like learn from it, what you can take it from them, and what you like. Whenever it's maybe you want to study for something, and for example, take some studying video and just start watching it, and one way to get you more motivated. And it's so good to later just do it because you got that motivation from a video, and it pays off because now you have the motivation to do it. And just find a video and try to think of it that way, that okay, I'm here, I have to do a test for tomorrow, or some exercise or some essay, and I need to complete it. So find that one thing what you can draw attention to and make it your like goal, that I need to do it, I need to get it through, and just do it. Like, you need to just start doing it, because even if you feel like you don't want to do it, then you need to push. You need to push, you need to do it. You need to force yourself to an essay. Yeah, I also don't want to do essays, and I also want to do many stuff, but you need to just force yourself, because that's the only way to actually start doing something. Like me doing YouTube right now. And it's been really hard because I had a lack of motivation so much times, and now I'm just kind of starting to get it back through YouTube, and I'm really happy. And you can be happy too. You just need to find the right thing to do and find a way to make it work. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!